We've obviously got a floor here which we're treating kind of carefully and giving it kind of like the care it needs, whilst also bringing kind of the modern needs of technology in there in terms of plugs, in terms of data outlets, so that when the space becomes habitable, we can bring it to life with all the modern necessities that we need. The Lucas team have got the experience and kind of the patience to be able to kind of restore the floor, kind of make sure it maintains the old pattern that was originally there and the consistent finish that it needs for it to be kind of seamless when it is finished at the end. We've obviously had external factors to kind of think about in terms of water tightness of the building, and on the back of the original blocks there are elements of black bitumen to safely kind of treat the parquet flooring, remove the black bitumen whilst maintaining the integrity of the parquet flooring, allowing us to relay it and restore it to its original state. I think by taking off the parquet that we know has suffered damage through neglect through the years, by taking the backs of the parquet off, by treating the floor surface and covering it with latex, knowing that we're going to get a smooth kind of level finish. Once we relay it all, we'll have what looks like a brand new floor, but we know it's a floor that's been there for nearly 80 years.